Welcome back. Now it's time to look at a very important concept, which is compilers. What is a compiler? Compiler is a computer software that translates between a code that you have written in a specific programming language, for example C Sharp, into another programming language, for example the machine language or the assembly language that you have seen in the previous lectures. So think of it as a translator. We have two different types of compilers: the normal compiler and the interpreter. C Sharp is considered as a compiled language, the same as Swift, TypeScript, and C++, and many others, while JavaScript, Python, PHP are famous examples of interpreted languages. What is the difference between a compiler and an interpreter? Compiler takes an entire program as an input. So after you finish your program, you start hitting compile or build, and it takes whatever you wrote and start compiling it. On the other hand, the interpreter takes each line and start working in this line. And of course, regarding of this, it's the compiler is executing faster, while the interpreter is somehow slower because it takes a line and start working on this line. Compiler is not a cross-platform, which means that if you wrote a code in C Sharp, it will not work on Mac, and vice versa. If you've written a code on Swift, it will not work on a PC. On the other hand, the interpreter or the interpreted languages such as JavaScript, it's a class platform and it's working on almost every platform, same as Python and PHP.